What I'm holding is the brightest flashlight that I have right now. Whoa, that's really bright. Whoa. Wow, that's really bright. I don't even know how much lumens is this. Wow. It's really amazing. Look how bright it is. Look at my house. Wow. And yes, look. I have a gazebo. A gazebo in my backyard. Wow. Look how bright this is. That's really bright. Okay, staying all the way up in the night sky, nah. Doesn't work that way. Dang, this light is really bright. I can't believe it. And look at this. It's really bright. Okay, so now I lower the brightness and still pretty bright. Oh, everything's pretty weird now. Uh-oh, my camera's getting distorted.